Kita breaking news आई আছে Mokokchung district jail pra under trial prisoner 3 October 30 pujorde 3 baji nishinane jail pra polai jaigina ase tai khan 3 jun ge woka pra August moina 21st te durigina woka jail pra ani laga ase kuigina jani paise accused 3 jun laga naam do Sukam Ali 20 saal Rosida Ali 26 saal aro Habibullah Islam 21 saal ase
Thank you so much, media persons from different channel for coming and sharing all this kind of problems what we are facing now. This morning, 3 accused escaped from the jail. Actually, we kept them in the separate ward for this medical or health issue because they had skin disease. So doctor advised us to keep them separate from the other inmates to avoid spreading such disease. So accordingly, we kept, as I said, in the separate ward. So very unfortunately, this morning, it's incidents happened that he tried and escaped from the ward and from the jail. Where the cave was actually very old building. So the make a hole from their ward bathrooms. That means So the escape from there and then from the jail. The 3 of them are actually brought from Woka jail. They brought for these things time being because Woka jail also collapsed the jail wall. So after these things, we lodged a FIR to Thanaban Mokokchung, and then we sent the information to my DG, copy to SP, copy to CC Charge Mokokchung, copy to SP Woka, and copy to CC Charge Woka. So accordingly, police people, they came and visited all these things where this morning's citizens or they escaped. So we hand over the cases to police. So police people, they are doing their best to collect the information, and then if possibilities is there, they are trying to nab the escaped persons. So we are waiting for all these things from the police because for the jail jawans and then my staff outside duty is actually not possible. So police people, they are helping us. We are very happy. And then I want to point it out one reason that this section Mokokchung's, it's a very old, 45 to 50 years building. So infrastructure, everything's now expired. So my request, my department, head of department, and then government of Nagaland to see and then construct the new infrastructure in the jail. Even last time, our jail were also collapsed due to this reason. So we requested my DG prisons. So that one we already installed, and then new wall is stand now, but infrastructure, wards, everything, toilets. Now it's very old. So we are very much waiting and then hope that government will come and see and then help us. If these things, government's positive response and then department, health department response is like this, definitely this kind of incident can be avoided, and then jail can run peacefully without any like hypertension or hindrance. So thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you once again. I request the public and then media persons also. This morning, those who are escaped from the jail, they are involved in some hardcore murder case. So, if public comes and lends support to us to identify or to recapture them, I request all to support. Only after that we can solve the problems, and then public also free from the tendency, and then law agencies also may relieve. If all these things come together and then help each other, help my department and then police, we'll be very happy for that also.